Efficient BL brushless motor is electronically controlled to optimize battery energy use for up to 50% longer run time per charge. The BL brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes, enabling the BL motor to run cooler and more efficiently for longer life. The electronically controlled BL brushless motor efficiently uses energy to match torque and RPM to the changing demands of the application. Variable 2-speed 1/2 hammer driver drill, 0 to 550 and 0 to 2, 100 RPM, 0 to 8, 250 and 0 to 31, 500 BPM, delivers 1,090 in lbs. Of max torque, weighs only 5.9 pounds. With battery. Impact driver features 3-speed power selection switch, 0 to 1, 100/0 to 2, 100/0 to 3, 600 RPM and 0 to 1, 100/0 to 2, 600/0 to 3, 800 IPM, provides 1,550 in lbs. Of max torque, weighs only 3.3 pounds. With battery. Makita XPH07Z18VLXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless 1/2 Hammer Driver Drill. BL brushless motor delivers 1090 in lbs. Of max torque. Ergonomic design at only 8 to 1/8 long and weighs only 5.9 pounds with battery not included. 3-stage LED gauge indicates battery charge level. All metal variable 2-speed transmission, 0 to 550 and 0 to 2100 RPM, for a wide range of applications. Includes tool with side handle, side clip in Makita retail box. Makita XDT14Z18VLXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless Quick Shift Mode 3-speed impact driver. Quick Shift Mode selector has an automatic electronic controller that downshifts and reduces rotation and impact speed prior to driving screw into place. Tightening Mode, T mode, for faster tightening of self-drilling screws, helps prevent damage to the screw or workpiece. 3-speed power selection switch, 0 to 1100/0 to 2100/0 to 3600 RPM and 0 to 1100/0 to 2600/0 to 3800 IPM, provides precise fastening control for a wide range of applications. BL brushless motor delivers 3600 max RPM and 1550 in lbs. Of max torque. Efficient BL brushless motor is electronically controlled to optimize battery energy use for up to 50% longer run time per charge. Makita XRJ04Z18VLXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Recipro SAW. Makita built variable speed motor delivers 0 to 2800 strokes per minute in a 1-1/4 stroke length for faster cutting. Tool-less blade change system allows for faster blade installation and removal for increased productivity. Variable speed trigger for added convenience. Compact and ergonomic design at only 19-1/8 long. Weighs only 8.3 pounds with battery. Makita DML80218VLXT Lithium-Ion Cordless LED. Flashlight with bare tool. High luminance single LED flashlight provides 160 lumens. 12-position pivoting flashlight head with positive stops from 60 to 110. Aluminum flashlight head design for increased durability. Metal hang hook is convenient and job site durable. Up to 13 hours of continuous illumination with a 3.0 ALXT. Makita XSH03Z18VLXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless 6-1/2 Circular SAW. BL motor delivers 5000 RPM for faster cutting and ripping. Automatic speed change technology adjusts speed and torque during operation for optimum performance. Compact and ergonomic design at only 13-3/4 long. Weighs only 7.3 pounds with battery not included, for reduced operator fatigue. Large cutting capacity, 2-1/4 at 90 degree, and bevel capacity, 0 degree 50 degree. Makita XAG04Z18VLXT Brushless Cordless 4-1/2 inch, 5 inch cutoff/angle grinder. Grinder's brushless motor delivers 8,500 RPM. Grinder features automatic speed change technology which adjusts speed and torque during operation for optimum performance. Bingo Goes 2-pack BL1850B18V 5.0 A lithium-ion battery. Battery type, Li-ion/voltage, 18V/capacity, 5.0 A. Replacement 18V batteries for Makita with LED battery charge level indicator allows to monitor battery charging status. OEM replacement battery for Makita BL1850, BL1840, BL1830 LXT 400 194204-5, completely meets Makita OEM battery standards. Overdischarge, overload, and short circuit protection. No memory effect, can be charged or discharged as needed without loss of capacity. Products are CE certified, tested by manufacturer to match OEM products. Quality warranty, 30 days money back and manufacturer warranty for 90 days from the date of purchase. Energy Tech 18V battery charger DC 18RD dual ports. Wide compatibility, compatible with almost all Makita 14.4V to 18V batteries such as BL1415, BL1430, BL1830, BL1840, BL1850, BL1850B, BL1860B. Twin ports battery charger. This lithium-ion battery charger DC 18RD could charge 2 Makita batteries at the same time, as fast as DC 18RC charges one battery. Rapid charger. It outputs high current up to 4A that can save your charging time. It charges two 2.0 Ah batteries in only 25 minutes, two 3.0 Ah batteries in only 30 minutes, two 4.0 Ah batteries in only 40 minutes, two 5.0 Ah batteries in only 45 minutes, two 18V 6.0 Ah batteries in only 60 minutes. Protect your battery. This charger communicates with the battery's built-in chip throughout the charging process to optimize battery life by actively controlling current, voltage and temperature. Music notification and LED indicator. After fully charged, it will remind you by playing the music and lighting up the green light. You will be easy to know the charging status and your battery condition.